I'm Wayne from Newcastle Glass and Aluminium. Just going to show you a few tips in regards to installing some fixed panels on an Urban Plus sliding door on site, just to make it seal up properly. In your bag of goodies, you should receive a bottom retaining block, top retaining block. Then you also have these two little goodies. These are interlock infills. I'll show you how to install these. These will stop that whirling noise that you get when you get a vacuum coming through your house. The bottom retaining blocks have been pre-drilled on these in our factory. So basically you'll just push this under, like so, and it'll screw into place. Just be careful not to over tighten the countersunk screws. If you do, you'll obviously damage the plastic because it's just a plastic block to retain that plastic block in place. Nice. Same again with the top lock. It just lifts up into there. Now you screw it into the door first, that way when you do up the top screws, it'll pull the head down to be flat. Once you've put those retaining blocks in and they're finished, we can pop these bottom sill trays in. These will just cover up any sill drain holes and screws and stuff like that in the retaining block, just to cover it up and give it a flat tray so no dirt and grime and rocks and stuff get stuck in there on site. This will just sit in there now. Just pushes back. If you can line it up properly with one hand, sorry. And then pushes down from one end. Same again for the top. Back end sits in first and then just pushes and rolls in like so. Now these are the blocks that I was talking about earlier. These blocks should be pre-drilled. If they're not pre-drilled, you can drill them. Usually just an 8-gauge countersunk screw. What that does is, when the door is closed, looking back up it from this direction, the door will close and interlock, but it allows for this hole to be completely filled, unlike other systems where that air is like filled up with a foam block that deteriorates over time. This has got a solid block with a wall pile in it. Blocks I was talking to you about earlier, these blocks just go into a pre-drilled hole at the top of the door, and what that allows is for any air that will go through that hole, or even water penetration, just to be sealed up. Seals that up. When your door's opened, there won't be, when your door's closed, there won't be a gap through here where air can suck through. And again for the bottom on this one as well, just pop that block on there, already pre-drilled. See that black block? That's the filler that we put in there, so the door seals up nicely in there. Same at the bottom. No gap where the air and water can get through and penetrate through.